G'day guys, Brendan back here from On Point Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to tie a really basic bait casting rig for Taylor in the surf. Now this is really good if you want to go do a bit of wading. It's a hot day like it is today. I mean, like, it is absolutely sweltering today. It's fantastic for that because you can go get a bit wet. You don't have to cast overly far. You're just lobbing your baits in the gutters and getting some fish. But let's stop yapping and let's get making. There will be a diagram at the very end of the video, guys, that is going to show this rig in full, so if you don't catch it all while I'm tying it and talking too fast, it's at the end. It'll have a voiceover explaining what everything is. Right, I'm just watching my rod there, just bouncing away. But we're going to need some 50-pound Berkeley Vanish leader. You're going to need a teardrop sinker. This one here is roughly 2 ounces. We're going to need a sliding sinker clip like this, guys. Now these are found pretty much anywhere. You're going to need 2 crane swivels like that. And then you're going to need a small set of gang hooks. In this case, these are about I guess a 3/0 chemically sharpened set. Let's get making. So we're going to start off from the bottom of the rig with this, okay? So we're just going to tie our hooks on to our leader, okay? Now this is just going to be done with a 3-turn uni knot, nothing special at all. Get the 3 turns in there, pull up, lube up, finish it off. Right, so we've got our gang hooks tied on there. We're then just going to go to probably a 50 to 60 centimeter piece of leader. That's all we're going to need. We're going to go to the first crane swivel here. Now this is a real quick and easy rig, guys. This is a fantastic rig that'll always get you out of trouble. Christ, we've got a bit of current running from right to left today. So there we go. Tie that on. Okay. Now we're almost done, guys. That's how good it is. We're 2 minutes and 7 into this video and we're almost done. So hooks, leader, crane swivel. Get another length of leader here. Now all you're going to want is probably 30 centimeters max. Okay. We're going to tie a uni knot on there. 1, 2, and 3. Lube it up, pull them down, and you're away. Oh no, that rig is right in the wash. What we're going to do next, guys, is we're just going to put on our sliding sinker clip like this. Now you guys, you can use a bean sinker for this as well, or a ball sinker. A lot of guys do. Straight onto your other crane swivel, no dramas at all. 3-turn uni, 3. Lube it up, pull it up, and we are done, guys. That's how quick it is, under 3 minutes, and I've given you a tuition on this. Crane swivel, 30 centimeters a leader to your sliding sinker clip, which I'm going to clip on that little teardrop sinker to a crane swivel. 50 to 60 centimeters a leader down to some 3/0 gangs in my case, or whatever you feel like using is up to you. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm quickly going to cut here. I'm going to get that description up and the little diagram, which I'll run you through with a voiceover, and I'll see you when we get back.
Okay, so we'll see whether we can follow the mouse here. So straight away we've got the gang hooks here, which were a 3/0 or a 4/0. Make them bigger if you're fishing bigger baits and half muleys. Our leader here is 50-pound leader, as you can see here at the 50 centimeter mark. We come up to here, we're just fishing the 2 crane swivels, 1 and 2, with a 50-pound leader here at 30 centimeters, and in between is your running sinker clip, and that's as simple as it gets.
Right, so there you have it, guys. There's the basic, I guess you'd call it a Taylor bait casting rig. For the records, what I'm going to be using to throw that rig tonight is just going to be a light Prevail 2 in the 10'6" medium, and I've just got that matched with a nice little Penn Authority there, 4500, and this is a beautiful lightweight combo to really get into it, which we have got a review coming on in the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye open for that. Alright guys, well I'm going to get fishing because it's starting to get to that beautiful time in the afternoon where the fish should come on the bite. And until the next episode, I'll catch you later.